Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation session, and today we'll be taking a moment to center ourselves and find peace amidst our busy lives. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, this session is designed to help you relax and rejuvenate. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or if you prefer, you can sit cross-legged on a cushion or the floor. Make sure your back is straight but not rigid, and your hands are resting gently on your knees or in your lap. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your body, and exhale, letting go of any tension. With each breath, allow yourself to become more relaxed. Feel the weight of your body sinking into your seat and let your muscles release any unnecessary tension. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, bring your attention to the present moment. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Imagine each breath as a wave, flowing in and out, carrying away any stress or distractions. Notice how your body feels with each breath, and observe the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. As you breathe, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently descending from above, calming and relaxing every part of your body as it moves down. Feel this light soften your forehead, relax your eyes, and ease your jaw. Allow this warm light to continue its journey down your neck and shoulders. Feel your shoulders drop and release any tightness. Let the light flow down your arms, through your elbows and into your hands. Imagine your hands becoming heavy and relaxed. Now bring your attention to your chest and heart area. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath in this space. Allow any emotional or mental stress to dissolve with each exhale. Let your heart feel light and open. Continue to guide the warm light down through your abdomen, releasing any tension in your stomach and lower back. Feel the light moving through your hips, thighs, and knees, all the way down to your feet. Let your entire body feel relaxed, warm, and at ease. Take a moment to simply be present in the state of relaxation. Notice how peaceful and calm you feel. Embrace this sense of tranquility and let it fill every corner of your being. Now bring your attention back to your breath. With each inhale, imagine drawing in peace and positivity. With each exhale, release any remaining stress or worries. Breathe in calm and breathe out tension. Before we end this meditation, take a few more deep breaths at your own pace. When you're ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you as you go about your day. Remember, you can return to this place of peace whenever you need. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. I hope you feel refreshed and centered. If you enjoyed this session, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more guided meditations and mindfulness practices. Have a wonderful day.